In a sun-baked desert town, a reclusive mosaic artist named Lyra discovers how mirrors map hidden water. Each night she places shimmering panels along the dunes, guiding caravans to springs that vanish at noon. When a sudden eclipse darkens the sky, her mirrored atlas becomes a beacon drawing travelers to a fragile oasis. Locals follow the light trail, rebuild wells, and turn drought into a shared harvest that sustains their future. The desert learns that artistry and science together can bend fate and bring life back to parched ground today.